Look, it's all for you, Jessie. Santa Claus left it for you.
What's that?
It's scary. Train. Oh, a train for Christmas.
Yes, a train for Christmas. That's right. Oh, Daddy, you want to press the button? Look.
Look at all these things, Jessica. Look at Caillou in a train.
And Rosie.
And Rosie.
What's that?
It's a train.
Santa brought you a train.
Look at the train. Chugga, 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 chugga.
Oh. Icicles.
Yeah.
Icicles are free.
Woo.
It's flowing. He's flowing.
Look, there's a duck.
It's a train.
I think here comes the train. Here it comes.
Ooh.
Look.
It's high bag.
Caillou bag.
Let-
What do you think, Josie? What do you think?
Merry Christmas,
Merry
Josie.
Christmas. From Santa Claus. Santa Claus left all this stuff for you. For you to play with.
A bike.
Oh my, did Santa bring you a bike?
Did Santa?
It looks like it's a bike wheel.
Hmm.
I see.
Santa must be a awful joker. He must have a sense of humor.
Where's the rest of it?
I don't know. Maybe it's in your stocking. That little train's having a little trouble going over that hill.
Oh.
Yes, that is Santa, Josie. Santa brought that.
I got the train.
I wonder what.